Welcome back, guys. I hope you're doing well and have a very blessed Christmas time. In today's video, we are going to talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now losing momentum if we look at the Google search traffic. But the clue is that the S&P 500 right now is catching momentum, and the S&P 500 index is very strong correlated to the Bitcoin. So therefore, I hope that Bitcoin is as soon as possible catching momentum as well. So what we will talk about today is the 4-hourly time frame for the short term, then the midterm with the daily time frame, and for the long term, guys, I want to provide you this weekly time frame with the cup and handle. And for the ones who are patient and stick to this video from the beginning till the end, I have a surprise chart. We will talk about this metric, but you gotta wait for this. So let's start with, before we start with the charts, guys, what I truly would appreciate is if you leave the thumbs up on this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your loved ones. This is very good for the algorithm and helps me to grow, guys. And don't forget, I have the comment section, and in the comment section I've pinned this Telegram Shark Signal group. Here you will get more crypto. What means more crypto? You will get trading signals. You will get more crypto news. You will get everything that is related to crypto stuff. So join this group. It's for free for a limited time, guys. So therefore, I would truly appreciate if you join. This is very good benefit for you. So in this 4-hourly time frame, guys, we have the ascending triangle. First of all, you can see that we are in an uptrend, and then we got into this pattern out of the uptrend. But the previous trend could turn into a reversal chart pattern. What does it mean when we turn into a reversal? A reversal ascending triangle means that we go into a bearish chart pattern, and this bearish chart pattern right now, we are at an area where we could break down. And if we break down with this chart, guys, I have mentioned in my German YouTube videos that I'm longer on this channel, so that we could see a price area if Bitcoin dumps, and we see a huge dump between 30 to 32k, we have no backtest because of the hype of the Bitcoin spot ETFs. From 30 to 32k, we pumped up to 40k, and we have no backtest. And therefore, if we dump on the huge or on the bigger picture, this would make sense, because then we can grow sustainable, because we have a retest and a confirmed breakout for Bitcoin. We will have a look at this on the bigger pictures, on the bigger time frames, so later on. So first of all, guys, if I give you a price target right now, what I also want to say is I am not trading this pattern because it's too dangerous right now. Even if my hands are shaking and I want to trade this with a leverage trade, I'm still waiting. I need more clear signs and green signals to trade this one. So if we break downwards, guys, 39,300 would be the price target for this ascending triangle. If we break upwards somehow, the price target would be around 47,400 US dollars. So this would be the bullish scenario, but you can see that we are right now breaking downwards. We are losing momentum, as you also have seen on the Google search traffic, and therefore the downwards price target is more probable to play out. What else do we have here? We have the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame, guys, you can see a pattern. We see this rising trend line, which always was a very supportive trend line for the price of Bitcoin. But right now, Bitcoin is losing this support line, and we also have this horizontal trend line. And whenever we broke out of this horizontal trend line, we saw a pump of 22%, approximately around 23%. And then, guys, we saw another pump with 17%. And if we take the median of these two, it's around 90 to 20%. And if we pump by 90 to 20%, this would mean 52,200 would be on the line. But right now you can see, guys, this is not the case. We are breaking out of this rising supportive trend line, and therefore Bitcoin is more likely to play out the bearish scenarios than playing out the bullish scenarios. But when we talk about bullish scenarios, I want to talk about this cup and handle because it's on the weekly time frame. Even if we see a pump down to 39,000, this would mean we go down to this area. Even if we go a bit sideways and then go ahead and still try to make it up to 46,000, this would also be a valid pattern for me because it's on the weekly time frame. And on the short term we have, or in the short and mid term, we have more volatility, but on the long term you can see that the volatility is disappearing. And therefore, if the weekly time frame plays out properly and we reach the price target around 46,000 with this cup and handle, this would still be okay. So what I also want to mention is we have right now, or we had right now, this bearish divergence on the RSI. It's in a daily time frame, so it's a very significant sign, and you can see we still haven't seen a huge dump from here on. So therefore maybe this is the dump of the bearish divergence that we have seen before. And if it's the case, guys, I've told you so, the price cycle would be around 39,300. So let's talk about this one metric because you have been patient and I still stick to this chart, guys. What does this chart mean? We have always our phases. We have the bull phase and we have the bear phase. In the bull phase, guys, the direction is always upwards. Even if we see on the short term still like smaller parts where we see a fallback and a corrective move, on the long term or on the bigger picture we have a direction, and this is upwards. In the bear phase our direction is downwards, is the opposite around. And then, guys, the realized price is bigger than the price of Bitcoin, the actual price of Bitcoin. And this small part, this is called the bottom part. We have the bottom, we left the bottom part behind, and then, guys, we started off this bull phase and we are still waiting for the run up. The run up hasn't still begun because the run up looks like this. This is more like we are forming higher highs and higher lows. So we are catching momentum, we are warming up. It's a pre-bull stage, but we didn't have seen the run-up right now. The actual run-up looks like this, where we go parabolic, and we are waiting for this, guys. I'm pretty excited, so be prepared, stack sets, and yes, see you guys in the next one. And yeah, as I said, I would truly appreciate it if you leave your thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel and join the free Telegram group. See you guys. Bye.